Oh, that's up to you guys. Just stay with your buddy. Well, just pass it back to somebody who's back there, okay? And put it in that passage, or put it in about where you were sitting, anywhere that's around that area. All right, now. Okay. It's nice and cool in here. Okay, so there's many ways to do this. You can climb over these rocks. You can go down through there and scoot out the back end of that. So there's all kinds of stuff that crisscrosses and meets up. So you're welcome to go explore and find what you want to do. And if I fall, you know it's not the right way to go. Okay? Anybody went down there? I don't think so. There's plenty of big rocks here we can just sit. And you know, there's a drop here. And you can go down there, yeah, or down on this side if you want to avoid this. But I just want to encourage you to explore and have some fun. You can go down here as a drop. You can go down back here. I think that goes through to there too. You can go down into it to really see. Probably spray paint. That's why the owner put the gate on it, because it was getting vandalized. It was getting vandalized, so he put that big gate on the front of the cave. You can go down, take a look. Now what's not? We'll haul you back up. You can climb back up. I know it's bigger that way. Going that way, it's open. Well, we're eventually going to be going that way. Okay. I'm going to slide down. This will go through, does it? Rocks in the way. I've only seen it happen once. When we had a tremendous amount of snow one winter.
Wait, I would go down there.
it's a crazy climb. I do it on my belly and slide down, hold on to the rock, slide down. But I'm gonna stay here like this so that you're not gonna go anywhere. Okay, just get on your belly and slide down. Now if you take your time, get on your belly. You don't want to get your legs trapped. On your belly. Okay. Okay. Now put your arms out as far as they go, and then feel around. You'll feel. See, there's rock there. You can get your foot jammed into something and get a foothold. It's behind you. You're not going anywhere. Okay. Okay. Now just want to get it down. Yeah. You gotta dangle it so that you can find another place to put it. You did it yourself. I just standing in the way, Case. You did it yourself. You have to use your whole length of your body. Now you can probably stretch your arms out all the way and reach the floor.
Just a little bit.
Reach the floor. There you go. Piece of cake, right? Yeah. Always does. Now you could just go back and explore all you want. And get on your belly and stretch your arms out as far as they'll go. And you should be able to reach. I'm going to stay behind you just in case. You got it. Awesome.
Ow. Not stuck on my hand. So sorry.
That wasn't a muddy rock. That was your fingers.
So I go like this?
Yeah, on your belly. Arms out all the way. Now take your time. You're a lot shorter. You're going to have a little trouble with this. So when you come down here, put your foot on my knee.
Okay.
Okay, now guide yourself down. There you go. Here we go.
I got it, guys. Wait. Oh.
Okay, hold on to the edge of the rock. Get on your belly and stretch your arms out and go down as far as you possibly can, and you'll try to feel for some footholds. Okay, feel for footholds. Put your legs out. Down. There you go. I'm behind you. If you fall, you're not going anywhere. Stretch out your arms as far as possible.
Yep.
Okay. Now feel around. See if you can find a place to put your foot. Like, hold on. Your right foot there. Okay. Now can you put this one down a little bit more? Just slide down a little bit. There you go. It's not that bad, is it? You're doing things that you didn't think you could do.
I need a break.
Okay. We'll get a break in about a half hour.
What?
This is a union trip. We gotta stick to the schedule. I'm glad somebody got that. You know? Okay, turn around on your belly. Hold on to the rock. Dangle your legs over the side and stretch your arms out as far as possible, as far as you can possibly go. Down a little more. Okay, I'm behind you. Okay. You're on my knee. Just no. I'm telling you. Just use my knee. Put your weight on my knee. There you go. There you go. That's pretty good. Okay. Wait a minute. You're a little bit small. We'll leave you here. Okay. We'll come back and get you next week. Oh man. Okay. Arms out as far as you can go. Put your foot on my knee. Okay. Now step down. There you go. Very good. No, that's not bad at all. Oh, girl, you ripped my cover off. You ripped my cover off. Look at.
Sorry.
No. That's what they're there. I'd rather you trash them.
Wait, what do I do?
Okay, you're going to hold on to the edge, like where your hands are. Yeah, anywhere. You're going to be on your belly so that you hang your legs over the edge. Okay? Then when you come down, take it slow and try to reach for footholds. If not, my knee's right there. Step on my knee. Step on my knee. There you go.
Oh, I ripped it by accident.
Oh, that was my foot.
Really? I think I ripped it by accident.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's what they're for. I'd rather you rip them up than trash your clothes.
Alright. This is not Grace. What's her name now?
Okay. You wanna,
did not do that one a very efficient way, I can tell you that.
hands hold on to like this, and you're on your belly.
Oh, that's right.
And dangle your feet over the edge. There you go. There you go. Now get on your belly. I'm going to be behind you. If you fall, you're going to land on me. Okay? Okay. Now you got to have your arms as straight as possible, and you should be able to touch the floor. That was my foot. There we go. There you go. You got it. No problem at all. You got it? Anywhere. You gonna try? You got your way to do it? Okay. All right. That's cool. Some people are very confident in getting up and down. Yeah. I've seen people down there straddle this all the way up. Oh man, it scared the bejeebers out of me. Then when they got to the top, they started singing. Freaked me out. This is really good. Okay, if you guys want to take a break anywhere around here, you're welcome to. If you want to eat, you can eat. Okay. Just find a comfortable place to sit, and you're good. They're just sitting?
Yes, they don't know where to go.
Okay, if we go down further, the food court's down there next to the gift shop.
Do they go straight or left?
Yeah, we'll go straight.
Girls, straight up. Straight. Move out
Yep.
straight.
Actually, if you want to sit down any place that you think is comfortable to eat, this is fine. Yeah. That's all from water, and that amazes me. And actually, I've only been in here once when it was flooded. Okay, this passage goes all the way to the back. It goes up a little incline, and then there's a fork there to the left and to the right. And either side is nice. You can actually do one side until it stops, and then come back and do the other side. We're eventually going to come back this way and be working our way out of here. But if you guys want to explore here a little bit, or a lot, whatever, there's a lot of holes on the side that you can explore. Uh-oh, they're singing. We'll never get them out. Yeah. I'm gonna sit. Yeah. You can drop it here. What? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. And we're going to be going back there. We're going to go through this hole here, or yeah, this hole or that one, and go back up that passage. I'm just trying to get them confused. Maybe just don't have some fun. Yeah. too great for about a week or so. And my wife took me to the ER. Got to the ER. They took me up, put me in a bed. Next thing you know, I had a heart surgeon talking to me. I'm like, wait a minute. What are you guys doing? Well, they replaced the heart valve. Okay. I like it. And some of these crevices, you'll see you'll see starts of little tiny formations just starting to appear. Yeah. 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 It's amazing. There's water. Yeah. Yeah. It comes down off of not this rock, but on the other side there's another rock that drops down and then washes there and then washes down to here. And it also washes down a hole